Welcome to Microchips Briefing. The content of the briefing includes: OpenAI chief seeks new Microsoft funds to build superintelligence. TSMC jumps after posting first monthly sales gain since February. Huawei Mate 60 Pro teardown reveals 47% Chinese parts in phone. Microsoft's answer to the MacBook Pro is big on style and price. OpenAI chief seeks new Microsoft funds to build superintelligence. Financial Times. OpenAI plans to secure further financial backing from its biggest investor Microsoft as the ChatGPT maker's chief executive Sam Altman pushes ahead with his vision to create artificial general intelligence, AGI, computer software as intelligent as humans. Microsoft earlier this year invested $10 billion in OpenAI as part of a multi-year agreement that valued the San Francisco-based company at $29 billion, according to people familiar with the talks. Altman said his company's partnership with Microsoft's chief executive Satya Nadella was working really well and that he expected to raise a lot more over time from the tech giant among other investors, to keep up with the punishing costs of building more sophisticated AI models. To build out the enterprise business, Altman said he hired executives such as Brad Lightcap, who previously worked at Dropbox and startup accelerator Y Combinator, as his chief operating officer. Altman, meanwhile, splits his time between two areas: research into how to build superintelligence and ways to build up computing power to do so. TSMC jumps after posting first monthly sales gain since February. Bloomberg. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, saw its shares rise by 4.1% after reporting its first monthly sales gain since February. The company recorded a 15.7% increase in revenue to 243.2 billion new Taiwan dollars, $7.5 billion, in October. TSMC CEO, C. Wei, stated that the chip market is expected to hit bottom soon as demand for chips used in AI applications continues to grow. TSMC is the primary chip maker for companies such as Nvidia and Apple. The company's sales outlook for the quarter is $18.8 billion to $19.6 billion. Huawei Mate 60 Pro teardown reveals 47% Chinese parts in phone. Nikkei Asia. A teardown of Huawei's Mate 60 Pro smartphone by Nikkei and Fomalhaut Techno Solutions has revealed that Chinese-made components constitute 47% of the phone's value. This is an 18 percentage point increase from a similar model analyzed 3 years ago, indicating that China has made rapid technological advances in the production of components such as semiconductors. The increased share of Chinese components is largely due to Huawei switching suppliers for the organic light-emitting diode display from South Korea's LG Display to BOE Technology Group. Microsoft's answer to the MacBook Pro is big on style and price. The Sydney Morning Herald. Microsoft's new Surface Laptop Studio 2, aimed at creative professionals, is a powerful and expensive portable workstation. The laptop features a 14-inch touchscreen that can be tilted back to cover the keyboard, allowing for better use of the touchscreen or stylus. The device can also be flattened to become a tablet, and the screen can be flipped backwards to create a standing touchscreen. The Studio 2 is compatible with Microsoft's latest Slim Pen, and it can automatically switch to desktop or tablet mode depending on its position. The laptop is equipped with an Intel Gen 13 i7-13700H CPU, an NVIDIA RTX 4050 or 4060 GPU, and up to 64 GB of RAM, making it suitable for 3D design, video editing, high-end gaming, and driving multiple 4K displays. However, the laptop's heavy design, high price tag, and relatively short battery life may not be suitable for less intensive work. Comparing the Surface Laptop Studio 2 to Apple's MacBook Pro, the Microsoft device may be more powerful in terms of CPU and GPU, but the MacBook Pro offers better battery life and a brighter, sharper display. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Six from the Sixth Dimension, bringing you the latest updates from across the multiverse. Today, we have some fascinating news to share with you. First up, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is seeking additional funds from its biggest investor, Microsoft, to build artificial general intelligence. CEO Sam Altman is determined to create computer software as intelligent as humans, and he believes that a strong partnership with Microsoft will help achieve this goal. So, get ready for the future of AI, folks. In other news, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, is experiencing a resurgence with its first monthly sales gain since February. With a 15.7% increase in revenue, TSMC CEO predicts that the chip market is on the path to recovery. As demand for chips used in AI applications continues to grow, TSMC's future looks promising. Speaking of technology, A teardown of Huawei's Mate 60 Pro smartphone reveals that Chinese-made components now constitute 47% of the phone's value. This marks a significant increase from 3 years ago, highlighting China's rapid technological advancements. It seems that China is taking big steps towards becoming a major player in the production of high-quality components. Lastly, Microsoft has unveiled its answer to the MacBook Pro with the Surface Laptop Studio 2. This portable workstation is a powerhouse designed for creative professionals. With a versatile touchscreen, powerful CPU and GPU, and compatibility with Microsoft's Slim Pen, the Studio 2 is perfect for 3D design, video editing, and high-end gaming. However, it comes with a hefty price tag, so make sure you're ready to invest in style and performance. And there you have it, my friends. The world of technology is moving at lightning speed, and we're here to keep you informed. Remember, the future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. What do you make of these latest developments? Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.